Baobabs, the ancient giants of the African savanna, hold a remarkable secret within their massive trunks. These majestic trees can store up to a staggering 32,000 gallons, or 120,000 liters, of water to survive the harshest drought conditions. Imagine that. It's like having a reservoir hidden inside their bark. And get this, some of these baobabs have stood tall for thousands of years, with experts estimating that some could be over 6,000 years old. That's older than the pyramids. These resilient giants have witnessed centuries of history unfold around them, standing as living testaments to the power of nature's endurance. So next time you see a baobab tree, remember the incredible story hidden within its ancient trunk.